Hello and welcome back to Jamuary day 27. Jamuary is for me, me doing something new and musical every day for the day of January, and it is now the 27th day. Yesterday we had a really quaky, doomy, droney kind of, I was going to say mess. It wasn't a mess, it was fun. As fun as a drone can be. Today we're going to do something different. Today I've got my yellow lights on, so I want to do something that is like sunshine, daylight, something that kind of themed. Hence the yellowy sort of lights. Maybe I can also do these lights as well, a little bit yellowy. Let's try that. There we go. So we're thinking daylight. I don't know how that's gonna manifest, but we're gonna figure it out as always. I am using the Ableton Move. I'm gonna pick a new set and we are gonna figure it out. So let's see what drums it's given us. I feel like it's sounding very samey. So Ableton gives you a drum, a bass, and two other instruments to just spark some inspiration. So we always go through them. No? Light electro sounds promising. Yeah, that could be sunshiny. Toxic lead. That is not going to be it. So I think we're going to go for this light electro. We're going to start with that. We are going to go to a major key. What is a summary? Let's do A major. Sounds kind of sunny, doesn't it? I kind of like that. Oh. Actually, yeah, what tempo is it in? That works. How do I copy? I think I know how to copy. I think I do this, then I do copy. Yeah, so I do loop length 2 bars, then I do copy, and then I do that, and then that. And then, still on pace, how do I cancel that? Yeah, okay. And then I want to add a bar. So then the last bar goes. So ending the last two bars with something like. That's it. It goes. Okay. I don't know how to record from a certain spot, so I think we have to do it all the way through. So it goes, just to keep it in mind, it goes. Well, that was not what I was expecting. How do I add bar 6? Oh, okay. 6, okay. I wish I knew. No notes, no notes. How do I just record on those? I think we got it. That. So let's find like a nice arpeggio or something to go with this. Maybe guitar actually. Thinking Here Comes the Sun needs a bit of a guitar. I like it. Need some delay on it. Okay. Sounding very indie lo-fi right now. So let's lean into that. Not with that. I think bass-wise we need something like super analog. Sorry, super acoustic. Like that. Or like just a sine wave, just something like super like that. Yeah, this reminds me of the Postal Service. Sounds very Postal Service-y to me. Yeah, I want something like Postal Service, then leaning into this sort of lighter Aphex Twin style kind of thing. So that's what I'm going to go for with this. So with the... like that as well. Let's put it in. Okay, and that's the final bit, I think. what I did there, but I like it. I just need to turn the volume down a little bit. That's all. Yeah. Okay, I do want like a glitchy extra snare somewhere. I was trying to do it and then it turned into a weird like break loop, so I'm gonna try it with this one. Let's see what we can do with this one. I like this one. This one is so chill. It just is chill. Add some more reverb to the guitar. Oop, no. That is not the guitar. That's the guitar. Maybe I can't. Yeah. Alright guys, I think we got it. I love that drum beat. That is such a, like, it makes me think of like Goodbye Sky Harbor, Jimmy World, sort of Aphex Twin, like the lighter Aphex Twin kind of stuff, but then also, what else did I say, kind of Postal Service, kind of that kind of thing, but coupled with this, that makes it sound a lot more like sort of Postal Service. And then this is just kind of like indie kind of vibes to it. I like this a lot. And then we can just make it super lo-fi. Okay, this is getting me into summer mode, even though it's definitely not summer. So there you go. This one can be lo-fi summer. I think that's what this is going to be called. Lo-fi summer. Yeah, there you go. It is a lo-fi teen summer. I guess this kind of reminds me of my late teens. So yeah, lo-fi teen summer. That's what this one's called. Cool. There you go, guys. That is Jamuary day 27. Thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.